Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber. I am going to remove my parting planes this morning. Thought you guys would want to watch. Get the old trusted chisel out. I'm sure I got you zoomed in there, right? And we'll start right here. Want that one kind of loose. That one, hot glue I got on there. Be careful not to damage your plug. There's one, I'm done with that one. Now let's come over here, take this end one off, and watch it, step on my foot. Alright. Got that side one kind of loose. And down here. Knock that one off of there. Well, don't want to let go a little bit of my paint. I'm gonna have to fix that. Alright. That one. Now back to this one. Beautiful. There's my clay. Go with that one. Start down here. Little bits at a time. I'm trying to do it all at once because we got to kind of roll it back to keep from damaging our leading edge. With that, go back later to pop all my dots off of them, save them. That all turned out really nice. So spin it there, no big deal. I'll just come in here and clean my tape off or my clay. And a little bit of that goof off on a paper towel. Get that all cleaned off real good. Clean her up with a razor blade. Not a big deal. Beautiful. Nice, clean, crisp edge. Set the plate off of there. my mold release on there. See that purple stuff? That's that Pordol. I'll take some water, just plain water, and wipe all that off and re-wax it. It'll look good. Now this will be my parting plane for my leading edge slats there. Now let's flip her over. I'm gonna have to back up a minute while I spin this around. I'll go ahead and get this edge off here. I'm done with that piece. I ain't gonna save it anymore. What I'm gonna do though is clean my clay off and save this clay, and we can reuse it. See what I mean? I got almost all that clay back. Well, let's pump off this one. This one I gotta be careful. I couldn't see that edge, you know, so I did, when I clayed it up, I just kind of did it blindly. I had a little bit of seepage, but that's alright. What I want to do is just be careful. Don't take it off. Remember, this is a flat piece anyway, so I'm not even going to need that part of this scheme. I have a little bit of seepage on this one, but that's alright. That's why I keep that first coat so thin. It did on that other wing too, but that's alright. That's why I wax that side so good.